Here to feed the Highland coos.
We're feeding the coos. We got chickens. Cool guy right there.
Oh, look at this big piggy.
Oh no, I saw that. Do it.
Oh, it's a furry piggy. Look.
What is it? You're so furry. Jenny. We got a couple more over there. What are those?
Hey, goat goats.
I don't know. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi, big dude.
Peggy big. Like a big fluffy Labrador. Incredibly friendly and always happy to say hello.
Hi.
Her coat is a beautiful dun color, and she comes from South Oost in the Outer Hebrides. She's Joanna's favorite and easy to see with.
Oh, who's Joanna?
I think she's the owner.
Joe. Hey, Momos.
Hey Momos, you want some more?
You look like Peter Parker in Spider-Man 3.
Get that, Boo-Boo.
Pretty Penny.
I love all their names and stories.
Yeah. There's baby ones. Their eyes are closed. They're so tired. Or maybe their eyes are open. I don't know. I can't see.
They're sleeping. Sleeping and chewing.
That's Iona. Yeah, she's the one who's in charge. I slay. Yes, you do. You're a fairy princess, Jenny. You can feed the alpacas, Jen, if you want. Where are you? The Persian thing. Ooh. What was it like? This is supposed to line up with something? I don't think we're allowed inside this one, Jen. Like I said, I think whoever made that one is just lazy. That's just one ring of big rocks. That's it.
There used to be corks in there.
Well, gone.
That used to be a grave. You can go in.
I like how they just have the fence just button right up to the standing stuff. All right, enter Jenny. Everything.
It's very good.
Alright, Jenny, what was your favorite?
This one.
Cubocan? How do you pronounce
I
it?
have no idea. But it's very smoky and delicious.
In a competition. In a competition, the dog must drive the sheep to the left and to the right. We'll bring the dog around the sheep, drive them toward the fence. I'll tell you that dog. I'll bring the dog to around them, drive the sheep toward the fence, and then cross drive them to the big rock. Billy, come back. Continue left. Stop, lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down. Come left, Billy, come by. Billy, come by, go right, go left. Billy, come by. Billy, come by, go left. Billy, stop. Drive through the fence. Slow down, slow down. Billy, come by, go left. Billy, come by. Stop there, like, Billy, come by. Stop. Right down, go right. Billy, away. Billy, away. Billy, away. Billy, away. Turn the sheep around. Shout sheep, firstly.
Do you like this, Jenny? Oh, good dog.
Scotch, you can see her there. Come on. Come on. Right back. Right. 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 You right. Right, come back. You're right. Right, come back. Right, come back.
Whoa, look at him go, Jenny. Oh, look at that one. Went for a little swim.
Round my neck.
Oh, he's all right.
Whatever you prefer.
Look at how much
Most
it's
people are saying 99% of
the
people,
baby.
they use the light shoes. I'll shoot the sheep the last 2 years.
I know, I'm not.
Of an eagle, of a hawk, a robin. You never ever see a picture of a hen. There should be hens on the outside the buses. Hens should be on the super stores.
I'm gonna say goodbye to this fella. See you later, bud. Hey, bye.
Yeah. I mean, a little bit slower than last year, but still consistent. And decent numbers. I'm here with
Awesome.